Welcome to this tutorial on how to link pages on Shopify, a crucial step in creating a user-friendly and navigable online store. Linking pages is essential for helping customers find the information they need and for improving the overall shopping experience. To start, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the page you want to link from. This could be a product page, collection page, or any other type of page on your site. Once you are on the page, click on the Add Content button and select the text option. In the text editor, type in the text you want to use as the link and highlight it. Then, click on the link icon in the toolbar and enter the URL of the page you want to link to. You can also use the Link to a Page option and select the page from the drop-down menu. Another way to link pages is by using the navigation menu. To do this, go to the Online Store section of your admin panel and click on Navigation. Then, click on the Add Menu Item button and select the page you want to link to. You can also add a submenu by clicking on the Add Sub-Menu Item button. It is also possible to link pages using a button. To do this, click on the Add Content button and select the button option. Then, enter the text you want to display on the button and the URL of the page you want to link to. Best practices for linking pages include using clear and descriptive text for your links, making sure your links are easily accessible, and testing your links to ensure they are working correctly. It is also important to keep your links up to date and to remove any broken links. In conclusion, linking pages on Shopify is a simple process that can help improve the user experience and increase sales. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a well-organized and easy-to-navigate online store that will keep your customers coming back.